Hello there, and welcome to another episode of Dad's Cooking. Today I'll be showing you how I prepare a creamy chicken curry. It's far from being traditional, but it's definitely delicious and easy to prepare at home. So let's get started. Since I'm using deboned chicken thighs, I need to remove the skin from the meat. I'll show you in a bit why, trust me, it's worth it. If you prefer chicken breast though, feel free to do that, or if you want you can use any other chicken piece on or off the bone, really it's up to you what you prefer. Once you remove the skin from the meat, take a flat baking sheet. Line it with aluminium foil if you want an easier cleanup. If you enjoy washing greasy dishes, just skip it I guess. And we'll be preparing chicken chicharron as an additional side dish. This will add an extra crunch to our curry and will definitely elevate it, both taste and texture wise. Don't be scared, this step is easy. You just need to lay your chicken skins on a wire rack and place it in the oven at 140 Celsius for approximately an hour or until it gets crispy. In addition, just sprinkle a bit of salt on top and it will be delicious, I promise. Once the skin is off to the beach to get nice and crispy, we'll dice the meat up into thumb-sized pieces before doing the marinade. For the marinade, use a big bowl. Add yogurt, curry paste, garlic, fresh or powder, both work, ground cumin, curry powder, coriander, cayenne pepper or sweet paprika if you don't want the heat and spiciness, and the juice of 1 lemon. Once your marinade is done, add your chicken to it and set aside to rest. The more time you can leave it, the better. Ideally, you'll want to leave it for at least an hour for the flavors to penetrate the meat. Next up, we need to make some rice as our side dish. If you have a rice cooker, good for you, it will be easy. If not, and you're a normal person like me, let me show you how I do it and get a perfect result every time. The key to success here is to measure everything, and I'm really emphasizing this. You need to properly measure to have perfectly cooked rice in the end. I'm using basmati rice, a long grain rice, and applying a 2:1 ratio, meaning for 300 grams of rice I will add 600 milliliters of liquid. In this case, that will be split to 200 milliliters of coconut milk and 400 milliliters of water. Make the rice more fragrant, I'll be adding 1 cinnamon stick, a star anise, a couple of cloves, some crushed cardamom pods, and 2 bay leaves. Then put it on low heat until it cooks. It will take some time, so make sure to check in occasionally, but avoid stirring at any cost. Just let it do its thing. Finally, let's make our curry. Add some ghee to a pan. If you can't find this ingredient, it's perfectly fine. Feel free to use butter or any other cooking fat or oil of your choice. Once the pan is hot, we'll add 1 finely diced red onion and some grated ginger and garlic. Cook these for a couple of minutes, then add your chicken with the marinade and let it simmer until the sauce reduces. Then you can add your remaining coconut milk and put it back on the heat and let it cook until the chicken is done and the sauce thickened up nicely. Before serving, make sure to taste test. In my case, I added a bit more salt and cayenne to bring out the flavors better and up the heat level a little bit. In the meantime, our chicken chicharron is also ready. How do you know that? Well, just listen to this. As a serving suggestion, put some rice in a plate, top it with some delicious creamy curry and garnish with the chicken chicharron and some green onions. Thank you for watching today's episode. Hope you'll enjoy this dish. Until next time, make sure to like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel for more home-cooked meals.